Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. Today we are going to continue with exercise 13.1. In that, till question number 4 we had completed. Today we'll start question number 5. It is given that express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. So what we had done yesterday in question number 3, the same thing we will do it here also. Prime factors they are asking, so we'll find out the prime factors of 648. So 2 3s are, 2 2s are, and 2 4s are. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, and 2 2s are is 4. 2 8s are 16, and 2 1s are 2. Now we cannot do it by 2, so we'll go by 3 because 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 2s are 6, 2 and 1, 7s are 3, 9s are 3, 3s are, and 3 1s are. So the prime factors which we had found is 1 2 3, so 2 cube into 1 2 3 4, so 3 to the power 4. Same way second one 405, so 405 total. If you will do 5 plus 4, it's 9, so it is divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 1 and 0 10, 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 and 5 15, 3 5s are is 15, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9 again by 3. So 3 4s are is 12, 1 and 5 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 plus 4 9, so again by 3. So 15 3s are is 45, again by 3. 3 5s are and 5 1s are. So what we can write, 1 2 3 and 4 times 3, so 3 to the power 4 into 5. No need to write down power 1 because when we write any number, nothing in its power means it is 1, then only it will be written. And one thing you have to keep it in mind, that whenever any number whose power is 0, the answer will come to 1. That is the rule. So 2 is being 2 sums I had done. 2 you have to do it by yourself. Question number 6, in that we have to simplify. So 2 into 10 cube is being given, first one. So it will be 2 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 2 into 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are is 1000. So it comes to 2000. Simple. Second one, 7 square into 2 square, or 7 to the power 2 or 2 to the power 2. As it is 2, you can say it as square. So 7 into 7 and 2 into 2. So 7 7s are 49 and 49 4s are, 4 9s are is 36. So 3 4 4s are 16 plus 3 is 19. So 196 is the answer. Third one, 2 cube into 5, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, and 8 5s are is 40. If you want to do all the multiplication together and want to write the answer 40, then also it's okay, no problem. Now fourth one, it's 3 into 4 to the power 4, means 3 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So 3 into 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are is 64, and 64 4s are, if we find out, 4 4s are is 16, 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is 25. So 256, which comes to 6 3s are 18, 1 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16, 1 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. So 768 is the answer. Now fifth one, in that 0 into 10 square is being given, you can write it directly 0, because 10 square means 10 tens are 100, and 100 into 0 is already 0. कोई भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा, हमेशा 0 ही आएगा. So that was your question number 6. Remaining 3 sums you have to do it by yourself. Now let us move to question number 7. Now question number 7, the negative integers are being given, but no problem, the method is same. मैंने जो बोला था वो याद रखना है, that when the power is even of any negative integer, the answer will be positive. If the power is odd of negative integer, then the answer will be negative. वो खास याद रखना है. So first one is -4 cube. Now as I told you, -4 is a negative integer, so -4 into -4 into -4 if you will do, so 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64, और power क्या है, odd है, that's why the answer will be negative only. Minus into minus plus and plus into minus is माइनस. लेकिन वो माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस नहीं देखना है. अगर पावर ओड हुआ, ओड नंबर हुआ, देन द आंसर विल बी ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. अगर इवन नंबर हुआ, देन द आंसर विल बी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. सेकेंड वन इज -3 into -2 cube. Now -3 will open the bracket, it will be -3 only. -2 will be written 3 times. So -3 as it is. If you want, you can put it inside the bracket. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. As it is, the power is odd number, that's why it will be -8. Now 8 3s are is 24, and minus into minus will become plus. There you have to be careful, otherwise it's simple. Third one is -3 square into -5 square. So same here also, we want -3 into -3 into -5 into -5. तो दोनों के पावर्स देखो, इट इज़ एन इवन नंबर, सो आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा. 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25, and 25 9s are is 225. Now just last one is remaining, fourth one. Now fourth one, the question is -2 cube into -10 cube. So again the same thing, but here the power is in odd number, here also odd number, so the answer will be negative. If you put the bracket for -2, or you directly write -2 into -2 into -2 into -10 into -10 into -10. As the power is an odd number, the answer will be negative. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, so it will be -8. 10 10s are 100, 10s are 1000, but it will be, we want, you can put the bracket minus. Now 8 into 1000 is 8000, and minus minus will become plus. That was your question number 7. Now the last question of this exercise, that is question number 8, where we have to compare. So 2.7, the first one is given, into 10 to the power 12, or 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. ये दोनों में से बड़ा कौन है, that we have to find out, because it is being given. Compare the following numbers. So now first we'll take 2.7 into 10 to the power 12. Now with the help of 1 0, the point will be removed. It will become 27 into 10 to the power 11. Here 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. So again with the help of 1 0, 1.5 will become 15, and it will become 10 to the power 7. Now 10 to the power 11 means 11 zeros होंगे plus this 2, so total 13 digits हो जाएंगे. Here 15 and 10 to the power 7 means 7 zeros, so 7, 8 and 9. यहाँ पे 9 digits हो रहे हैं. Here it is 13 digits. तो बड़ा कौन होगा? 2.7. So what we can write that 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. If you want, you can write here 13 digits will be there. Here it will be 9 digits. That's why 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 is greater. Same way, second one, it is 4 into 10 to the power 14 or 3 into 10 to the power 17. Now here 4 into 10 to the power 14, it will be 14 zeros plus 1. Total how many digits? 15 digits will be there. And here in 3 into 10 to the power 17, it will be 17 plus 1, 18 digits. तो 15 digits बड़ा है या वाला नंबर बड़ा होगा या 18 digits वाला? Obviously 18 digit number will be greater. So what we can write that 3 into 10 to the power 17 is greater than 4 into 10 to the power 14. दिख रहा था बड़ा, लेकिन it is very easy and short also. So student, this was your exercise 13.1, which is being now over. In the next video we'll study about the laws of power and exponent. So till then, just you have to complete question number 5 remaining sum and question number 6 remaining sums. Rest will meet again in the next video. So till then, thank you and take care.